Yeah.
All right, house explosion. Hey guys, make sure you're looking at the house and not at your video camera. It's gonna be a lot cooler in person.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! That was awesome. That's how you do that.
Woo! Come on, Cade, let's go check it out.
I kind of wish I had to lift my earmuffs off. Yeah, the cops are coming, dude. Look how high. Look.
This is probably not something you want to breathe in. Liv, don't run. Follow me. Come here, Liv. There's a clear path right through here. It's okay.
You're doing good, buddy. Can you grab him? Oh, breathe in that asbestos. Well, I was wrong about how big it was.
That was awesome. Still have another half a house to do next time.
How's the GoPro? Is it broke?
Safe.
Nice, let me see it. Is it? We didn't start it.
This is the max I could.
Oh my God.
That's okay.
We forgot to start the GoPro. Like in the house.
Dude, I'm eating shit.
We forgot to start the GoPro that was inside the house.
I don't know what it looks like. I don't know what it looks like. I was probably closest here.